Okay, everybody, this is your local handyman, Mike. Got a little tip for you guys. Working on a Nissan Titan passenger door, window, and regulator harness. Maybe you're having trouble. I can maybe save you a little time and effort and some trouble by showing you one simple thing. When you get your new motor and harness and you crawling in there and tearing up your fingers and all this and that, working on getting that rascal out and getting the new one in. And if you plug it in to power to the control, power to the window motor, and it's not working, and you're checking fuses, there's two boxes under the hood. There's one box in the passenger seat, and there's two secret fuses under your pedals. I pulled those and they were blown. No power to the window motor at all. Zero. Hours. I'm trying to save you some hours. There happens to be a little button over here. See that? That's like for dogs. When that's pushed down, it's not going to have any power to it. And that might slow you down a little bit. So make sure you release that button and push power to that motor. Save you a little bit of time, y'all. Okay. Thank you.